Hello and welcome to Turquoise Tours, downloadable audio tours of historic sites and sacred buildings in the islands of Britain and Ireland. Tours that share insights, questions and mystery stories that can help bring these places alive in the imagination. Our first tours have been centred on the city of St Albans, a place of surprising influence in the making of modern Britain. There's the ruins of the Roman town of Verulamium, razed to the ground by Boudicca in her ill-fated rebellion against Rome, with its amazing walls and mosaics. Overlooking the city is the Abbey Church and Cathedral that served one of the most powerful religious centres in medieval England, revealing some of the secrets of sacred architecture. Then there is the Parish Church of St Michael, a fascinating gem of a place, with ley lines and examples of Masonic art with links to Francis Bacon, the Rosicrucians, and even Shakespeare. Our tours are designed to be downloaded to your mobile device, phone or tablet, to be listened to as you journey around each site in your own time and at your own pace. To access one of the tours, just follow the link below to get to our tour hosting page. Click on the button and follow the instructions to download the files. And when you have finished, please visit our webpage to leave comments to help us improve the tours for later years. The website at Turquoise Explorers also carries a range of articles to help you follow up on items of interest, like our continuing series on secrets of sacred architecture. We're not for profit, and our main aim is to connect with other people who share our desire to bring the mysteries and the magic of past times to life. We hope you enjoy the tours and that you'll be in contact soon. Goodbye.